You see what I did? I didn't play it like straight like this. I said, then you play F major 7. So the same with like Ndimi Ishe Wemba Ino, or any song that starts on the 1. If it's just on the 1, you want to go to the 4, you use this 2-5-1, right? So this is a straight 2-5 in the F sharp, 2-5-1. So Ndimi Ishe Wemba Ino. You see what I just did here? If you get this, you sound advanced automatically. Most people don't know these movements. So Ndimi, because normally people are used to Ndimi Ishe Wemba Ino, right? Or they say Ndimi Ishe Wemba, which is cool. Or Ndimi Ishe Wemba Ino, which is still cool. But I like this 2-5-1. Playing one chord as a passing chord is one thing, but playing 3 chords as passing chords, as a passing movement, is another thing. So Ndimi Ishe Wemba Ino, right? But I didn't want to play the whole song. I just wanted to demonstrate this 2-5-1 part. Let's say pick another song, like Toru. You see what I just did? So you're not playing Toru. No, Toru. So this 2-5-1. So just like this 2-5-1 that we did on the other song, because it's just that we are in the key of C sharp. So in the key of C sharp, so it's still the same thing. So right? See, this is called. This is another 2-5. I'll show you this one.